final moments, leaving the camping ground in Alexandra, preparing to embark on an adventure to the west coast. Magic. But what a great time it's been in Alexandra. All these magical Moto Guzzis that come together. Truly epic. Thanks for watching the previous films, and let's continue. Come along on this journey for some of the most awesomeness awesome. Alexandra, pretty much a town that's surrounded by brown, barren, rocky hills. I guess it's a sign of gold and an historic place. Very hot in the summer, very cold in the winter. Perfect for growing the crops of fruit. Heading off towards the west coast today. It's been a great weekend down here with the Moto Guzzi guys with the rally and stuff, and couple of good rides and some feeds and some nattering and all that stuff. So no, it was awesome. But anyway, you've got to carry on, and we'll keep going in a direction. Vroom vroom. Oh, that's not a good start.
Hey, it's holding our exit.
If you remember back to my North Island trip just a months ago, so I had some starting issues, and I bought a battery starter pack. I carry it with me now all the time, and it is one of the best things as far as security and being able to charge your phone and whatever else, you know. A few bikes gathered outside the club, getting ready to leave. We head down towards Clyde and the top of the dam, and this truly awesome sculpture of a falcon made out of scrap metal, standing majestically at the top there, looking much like the Moto Guzzi emblem.
That's very cool.
Heading down the west side of Lake Dunstan, heading towards Wanaka and Lake Hawea to pass through the middle of those two lakes on our way to the west. As we again cross the Clutha River. Yesterday we crossed it on the punt and across another bridge. This time we're up at the Wanaka end of the Clutha and crossing it on the one-lane bridge. On the right there is Lake Hawea. Beautiful, spectacular lake on this day. Riding this beautiful environment with the scenery is just mind-blowing. As you go between the top of the two lakes, you go down the right side of Lake Wanaka, and there's this beautiful stretch of road that comes through to the lower part of Makarora, and it's lovely, windy, scenic. It's a bit lumpy, but it's a beautiful stretch of road. Just north of Makarora is Cameron Flat, a dock camping ground, and also across the road is a car park which you can walk off to the Blue Pools, another beautiful, beautiful place. But this is a beautiful spot to camp. I've camped here before. Check out one of the previous videos. Camped here before, a few years back. Nice spot to camp actually.
The Blue Pools car park's no more by the looks of it.
No, that river must have knocked it all out.
Cheers! Yeah. Lunchtime, yay!
That's the one for there.
Want some cheese?
Thank you very much. Pepper cheese and peppered egg and
Cracker?
the mighty Griso. 1100 cc's of pure beastiness. And 1200 sport. It's a great piece of road, that bit down there. Well, the changing times. Never used to have cell phone reception here. Now you do. We got generation, solar power. Is it a good thing? Debatable. But I guess having the connectivities is sometimes it's just handy in some situations, isn't it? So it's progression. Travelling beyond the Blue Pools and the Cameron Flat, head up over the Haas Pass. Spectacular piece of road. It's beautiful. It's a bit volatile in the sense that it can be closed from slips and so on, but it's a beautiful road to travel on, both in the dry, more so in the dry probably when it comes to motorcycle, but still the West Coast is well known for massive amounts of rain, and that can provide even a more spectacular experience with the waterfalls and just the smells of the West Coast. Here just for a bit of a break and also to wait for Anthony to catch up. Stop at Haas Village to get some gas. I'd really like to make a trip over here one day, sometime soon, maybe 2024, and go out to Jackson's Bay and have some seafood. It would be a pretty awesome ride across from Christchurch to do that, even if it was for the day or an overnighter trip. A little bit of rain struck as we got closer to the glaciers and passing through another piece of beautiful road between Fox and Franz Josef Glacier, but not so much in the wet. It can be a little bit slippery in some places, so just got to take it easy. Another opportunity just to enjoy and soak up literally the environment.
passing into Franz Josef Glacier across the river. This one's quite a volatile one as well, very high river. A couple of Guzzis from the adventure down south. We grabbed some more gas before embarking on the epic awesomeness that is Mount Hercules, if you like. Twisty, uphill, downhill, tight 25k corners, little wee short blip straights, back into a 25, lumpy, bumpy, like an old wooden roller coaster, really. It is something else. I love it. The Griso loves it.
So these are the digs for the night. Harry. Couple of beds and not a bad outlook out into the world. Looking good. Out there we've got our beautiful Moto Guzzi. Toilet and bathroom, all the stuff you kind of need, really. Very retro. Good old room 13. I'll see you down there.
No, we're about to be here.
Bike's in the shed. Cheers.
The food now.
Oh, well then. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
It's not very civilized.
Harry, some food, some pool, some drinks. What a great hotel to come and stay at tonight. Very lucky. They had only opened the doors on this public holiday. It was the first time that opened on a Monday. So we were fortunate. Otherwise we wouldn't have gone have to find a bed somewhere else.
I was just making sure you weren't drinking on my bourbon.
No, it's whiskey anyway.
Exactly. Cheers to Jack Daniels, whiskey and cola. Cheers. And look at them there clouds. Those clouds looking pretty awesome, really. West Coast, South Island, New Zealand.